Dandangan Tradition. The month of Ramadan is a much-awaited moment for the Muslim community in Indonesia. We can find various traditions in various regions in welcoming the holy month of Ramadan, one of which we can find in Kudus Regency, Central Java. In this area, there is a unique tradition to mark the arrival of the fasting month of Ramadan, namely the Dandangan tradition. The Dandangan tradition is a festival that welcomes Ramadan which originated from the Sunan Kudus era. In fact, this is the announcement of the beginning of the month of Ramadan, which is marked by the beating of the drum. It is known that this Ramadan tradition was first held in 1459 AH, 1454 M. At the time, the community, especially the santri, gathered and waited for the announcement of the start of the Ramadan fast in front of the Menara Kudus Mosque until the initial decision on fasting was delivered by Sunan Kudus, Syekh Ja'far Shodiq. After that, the drum of the Menara Kudus Mosque was beaten. The sound of hearing the drum, dang, 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 is the origin of the term dandangan. Furthermore, the crowd during the waiting period for the announcement of fasting was used by traders to trade around the Menara Kudus Mosque. From here, the people of Kudus also know it as a night market that will always be there before the month of Ramadan. Over time, this habit became a trading center for various local handicrafts such as pottery and so on. Of course, along with the development of the dandangan tradition until now which increasingly crowded, the commercial products served are increasingly varied. Dandangan Week is also a cultural center which is illuminated by a Tamboran festival and cultural parade, as well as visualizing the history of dandangan and other art attractions. Besides that, we can also find an art that is characteristic of this tradition, namely the existence of Barongan Gembong Kamijoyo. This is the main character in the art of Barongan Kudus Regency, Singo Barong, who is nicknamed or titled Gembong Kamijoyo. In the end, the dandangan tradition in the holy city, which is sure to increase every year, is expected to bring great benefits as well as an increasingly thick religious climate for the community, especially high enthusiasm or spirit in welcoming the holy month of Ramadan.